From the moment you were born, you were fed a very specific formula for success. Go to school, get good grades, go to university, get a safe, secure 9 to 5 job, work hard for 40 years, and then, finally, you can retire and enjoy your life. It sounds responsible. It sounds safe. But there's a dark, mathematical reality that the corporate world doesn't want you to understand. That formula is a trap. It was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep the machine running. Welcome back to the Unsealed File. Today, we are opening File 005, the salary trap. And by the end of this video, you will never look at your office cubicle the same way again. Let's start with a brutal truth. What is a salary? A famous billionaire once said, "A salary is a drug they give you to forget your dreams." When you sign an employment contract, you are making the worst trade in the history of economics. You are trading the only asset you can never get back, your time, for a currency that loses value every single day. You see, the 9 to 5 system relies on a concept called linear income. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. If you stop working, the money stops flowing. It places a hard, physical cap on your earning potential. There are only 24 hours in a day. No matter how hard you work, you can never scale your time. But the system doesn't just limit your income. It actively penalizes you for participating in it. If you are a W-2 employee in the U.S. or a PAY employee in the UK and Australia, you are the most heavily taxed entity on the planet. Business owners earn money, spend what they need, and pay taxes on what's left. But as an employee, the government takes its cut before you even see the paycheck. You are taxed first, and you are left to survive on the scraps. Add inflation to the mix, and the trap closes completely. If inflation is at 6% and your annual raise is only 3%, you didn't get a raise. You took a pay cut. Every single year, you are working harder just to become mathematically poorer. They call it the corporate ladder, but in reality, it's a treadmill. You are running as fast as you can just to stay in the exact same place. And what about that safety they promise you? The illusion of job security? In the modern economy, a 9 to 5 job is actually the highest form of risk. You have a single point of failure. You rely on one company, one manager, and one HR department for 100% of your income. You're always just one board meeting, one bad quarter, or one AI software update away from losing everything. So, how do you escape the matrix? How do you break out of the 9 to 5 trap? The wealthy know a secret that the middle class does not. You must decouple your time from your income. You cannot work for money. You must build systems that make money work for you. It starts with buying or building assets. An online business, a piece of real estate, an investment portfolio, or intellectual property. You build it once and it pays you while you sleep. Your 9 to 5 job shouldn't be your final destination. It should just be the investor funding your escape plan. If this file shattered your illusion of the corporate world, hit the like button so the algorithm knows you're awake. Subscribe to the Unsealed File, because what we are uncovering in File 006 will expose the terrifying reality of your retirement fund. Stay sharp. We'll see you in the next file.